Cool. Can I get those in a 13?
13?
Yeah. These are the ones that we are here to check out, man. The Uncle Drews. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. We're gonna do a review on these bad boys right about now. What's good, YouTube, and those of you watching on the foxhole.com? It's your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker review. Hopefully everybody out there is having a great day wherever you are in the universe, enjoying these summer days and summer nights. It's starting to finally warm up. I know in the valley it's been hot the last few days. Let me know what the weather is like if you guys are not in California. Those of you in Canada, Australia, you know, other countries, other areas that's not California. Let me know what the weather's like for you guys. Is it scorching hot, or are you guys going through storms? Because I have been seeing that too. Without further ado, man, we want to talk about what's in this box right here. As you guys can see around me and by the title, we're talking about some Kyrie 4s, man. Uncle Drew edition for the Uncle Drew movie that comes out, I believe, next month. Not quite sure the exact date, but Uncle Drew, Kyrie Irving'S basketball movie is coming out, and these are like the Space Jams of the Kyrie Irving movie, right? Because these shoes will actually be worn inside the movie. So without further ado, we are going to go ahead and check out what's in this box. Make sure you smash the like button. Leave a comment on this shoe or any shoe you see in here. Let me know what your thoughts and opinions are. Of course, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on each and every video that I drop, from sneaker reviews to reactions to mall vlogs to vlogs to whatever else, man. Go ahead and hit the notification bell so you can be updated on all the content your boy Bossco drops. Without further ado, let's get into these shoes, you dig? Like I said, typical Kyrie 4 box, nothing crazy about the box. Only thing that's crazy about it is what's inside the box, you dig? There's the tag. I don't know if you guys can see that. Not bad at all. Let's get that receipt out here. You always gotta keep that receipt. Not a bad shoe, man. You guys know me. I'm not that big a fan of white shoes. They're really hard to keep clean, but this shoe is not bad. Let me know what you guys think about this bad boy. Let me get this other one out. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes. Honest opinions. Is this a shoe that you would cop if you had the chance, or if you wanted to? If you guys wanted to make a selection out of Kyrie 4, is this one of the colorways you would make sure you got? Let me get this right. Okay. Ain't nothing crazy. Let's slide these things over a little bit. First look together, fire. I mean, the picture I saw was cool. You guys know how I feel about white shoes, so these will not be in my collection, but I had to get them and do a little close-up and personal look for you and myself. These will be on the Go app if you guys want to get a chance to buy them. They're size 13. But enough about that, man. Let's go ahead and check these things out. Let me get these things out the box. I like the shoe, man. Kyrie 4 is a very good shoe for basketball. If you hoop yourself, make sure you pick up the Kyrie 4s, man. 120 price point, you can't go wrong with them things. They're great. They're better than some of the shoes that go for darn near $200. I don't know, man. Let me know what you guys think about these Kyrie 4s. Without further ado, let's keep talking about this thing. So as you see, we have a shoe in front of us. Very cool shoe, simple colorway. It's all white with just the gum bottom. That's the most color on the shoe, which is the gum bottom, but this shoe is pretty dope. The whole shoe doesn't have really a separation in the panels like it normally does. Here, you have the mesh, then you have a different panel that separates the design. Same thing with here, you have the mesh, and then you have something totally different on the back panel. This shoe, the whole shoe is nothing but that engineered mesh, as they call it. Really good for traction, or not for traction, but moving the flexibility of your foot and the breathing of your shoe, of your feet when you put these things on. These are true to size unless you have a wider foot. If you do, you might want to go a half size up, but other than that, true to size is great for this. When you put these shoes on, make sure you unlace them all the way down. That's important. You unlace them all the way down first, put your foot in them, and then tighten them as much as you want to. They will not change shape. Some shoes, you know, when you tighten them too tight, they look real skinny at the top. Based on how your foot is, if it's narrow or if it's wide, it's gonna look good. So just make sure you widen them, you unlace them as much as possible, get your foot in there, make sure it's secure and comfortable to your liking. Then you can lace them up tight, and I'm sure you'll like the shoe, man. If you're, like I said, a regular size foot or narrow foot as they call it, go regular size. If you are a wide foot, go a half a size up. I recommend that. The shoe is dope though. I mean, besides it being white, you know, I don't like all white shoes, hard to keep clean. But this is a cool shoe, cool colorway. You have the all engineered mesh on the upper part, plus then you have the thing I like about the Kyrie Force, which is the stitch in Nike check. I like the stitch in Nike check much better than I do the plastic or the sticker like they have on this one. Let me know what you guys think about these Kyries. Do you guys, if you guys are a fan of the Kyries, which Nike check do you prefer? The suede, the stitch one, the plastic one, the sticker type thing? Let me know what you guys think about the Kyrie. Give me your input on these shoes, the things you like about them, the things you might not like about them. All white upper with the blue Nike check. Then you have the blue Kyrie logo on the tongue, on the outside of the tongue, as well as the Kyrie logo on the inside of the tongue. Crazy shoe, gum bottom. Now this is the second Kyrie. They had the pitch blue, the navy blue shoe with the gum bottom. This one is an all white shoe with the gum bottom, and you have the orange, the highlight orange going up and down the shoe, which is the traction and the pivoting and the technology of the shoe. This shoe is really dope. That's why it's really good also that the sole of the shoe comes up to the midsole, because when you're playing basketball as a guard or any position, sometimes you end up landing on this part of your foot or that part. So you can see there's still traction here, so you can always be on point. Breaking them ankles, man. It's really good for pivoting, cutting, taking ankles, whatever you want to call it. Of course, the midsole is cool. The midsole is something to add a little detail to it. It's like gray with the speckled spots of navy blue or this type of blue with the orange. Really, really nice shoe. Not too bad. The white coloring is something that pulls me away from it, but it might pull you towards it because it is a great summertime shoe. This orange here is just like the orange on these Power of Females. These are very dope. Both of these are cool. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. We will get the up close personal look at these shoes so you guys can get a better chance to get your decision made if you want to cop these or not. If you're having a hard time, hopefully my reviews are something that can help you guys make or break your decisions, hopefully more for the positive. Kyrie 4 is something that has been dope. The price point of $120 is great. All the other, most of the other basketball shoes, Nike basketball shoes or basketball shoes period, are more than $120 with the exception of the Paul Georges, which are $110, which is a great price point. But for the new model, the Kyrie 5, the price point will go up. The Kyrie 4 lows, I think the price point will be a little cheaper. And then, you know, the Paul George PG 2.5 will be, I think, slightly a little bit higher than the 110 price point. But for $120, you can't go wrong with a better basketball shoe, man. I like the LeBrons. Some of them Kobe's are fire. The KDs are cool too, but they're all over $120. So this is definitely a shoe you might want to consider if you are looking for a new basketball shoe to rock or a basketball shoe to rock, period. You can wear it for style and for hooping. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these Kyrie 4s. Without further ado, let's get to the up close and personal highlights, plus and on foot, you dig? Without further ado, I'm out. Have a great day wherever you are in the universe. Peace.